Alright, so we just welded the diff on Kurt's E36. Go see his channel to see that.
Oh, shit. Oh! Fuck!
Now it's time to weld the diff on the Ranger. E36 literally took us 6 hours because it's the damn BMW. But thank God, all we have to do is jack this up. I'm gonna take the spare tire carrier off. Bro, is that a Pro Charge Mustang?
Yeah.
He didn't tell me, hey, I have a supercharged Mustang that I need to jump off.
Yeah, he just said he needed to jump it off.
Jumper cables. Okay, anyways. I was like, what? I'm going to take the spare tire carrier off while I'm down there because I'll use it anyways and it's just in the way. But take the cover off, figure out how big of a plate I need to make, and then put it in and weld it. That's all. Cut.
Cody left the house, bro.
So we're going fast. I don't even know if they're lined up, bro. I can't see them.
Mine's lined up. Well, yeah, mine's lined up. Well, actually, anytime you need to talk, just let me know and I can turn the fan off.
So spare tire mount, if you have like 93 through 97 Ranger, 1 bolt here, 2 on that side, and 1 on that side. If you want this, you can find it in a scrapyard somewhere because we don't need this shit where we're going.
Scrapyard.
The back bolt is a 19. The side bolt on the right side are 13s. And tight as hell. And I'm also going to need a 13 wrench.
13 wrench.
Oh, my neck. My back.
So, hey, look, show him your arm from when we... So, what were we doing? I don't even remember what we were doing.
Taking the drain plug out of, or the fill plug out of Kurt's diff.
Yeah, and he caught the jacks, or caught the jack somehow.
Shit.
Oh! Pretty hard, so that was pretty fun. We started, what time did we start? 11?
11:30.
11:30. Shit. We got that bitch out, welded, back in. We're about to do the same thing to yours, but we don't got to do the first 2 steps.
It don't matter.
I got a ratchet.
Bro, why is the back side a different size?
15. Is it bigger?
Yeah.
If it's a 15, there's a 15 right next to you, like on the ground. It's like that curved ass socket, curved ass one, but. Oh, it is, yeah, it is. Definitely coming out. Alright, Isaac, we doing this to your truck next, bro?
Yeah. I'm trying to sell my truck, not destroy it.
Bro, this'll make it worth more money, bro. Come on.
No, they'll give me $2,000.
Slide factor. Sell some takeover kids.
I could.
Can we weld the diff, cut the springs, throw some wheels on it?
Ain't got no gas.
You scared me?
Alright, good. The fuck? That shit fell. Done. Look at all this room for activities. Like
someone on the Ranger forum was like, "What can you do for weight reduction?" They were like, "Delete that." Okay, 10 pounds.
not even 10 pounds, probably. Yeah, that is weight reduction. Though. What are you trying to race?
Take that shit up.
Here we go, boy. I ain't never wanted to smell gear oil so bad.
I bet you that's the original. Bro, is the cap in this thing? Oh, no, it's not.
No, I moved it. Yeah. So then you just... Damn, this is crazy. Ooh. That's disgusting sounding. Damn. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Definitely gonna get that shit off there. It wasn't that tight. Looks healthy, brother. Doesn't it? Or no?
Is it?
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I don't. Well, good thing we're about to weld it.
What the?
That's the gasket.
It's
Bro.
got a booger on it, bro. Yeah.
Wait. Oh, that's exactly what I thought it was, yeah. So there's not a gasket. So this
RTD.
is definitely not the original thing. Someone's
Maybe.
totally fucked with this before.
Maybe.
For sure, bro.
You want a snake?
Oh, goddamn, bro. Chill out. Damn, bro. Alright, you want to tell your video while you're doing this? Give it this, you know?
So, you gotta spray the brake clean in here. Get all the old gear oil out. If not, your welds aren't gonna hold.
Good man. Dude, the gear oil on top of the brake clean, that does not smell good. It like made it worse. I didn't even know that was possible. Turn that wheel, boy. Turn that wheel. Yes, sir. Oh man, I'm losing brain cells down here, brother. Holy shit.
This is what your diff should look like, give or take a little bit. Yeah. Now we're gonna take a torch, try to burn out anything else that's left, and then we're welding.
What?
Welding.
Welding. Let's
We're
go.
welding.
All right, so right now, what are you doing?
I'm measuring. Oh, that hurt. So I'm measuring for the size plate that we're gonna need. It looks like 2 inches long by about an inch wide. So we need 2 of those. Safety first. Ow.
Where'd you get this piece of metal at? The scrap?
Scrap.
Okay, good. I figured you did, but I don't know. I don't know. Might as well ask.
Uh-oh.
Do you have enough to make 2?
I mean, somewhere I do, yeah.
I don't want to jinx it, but I was all nervous that Daniel was not going to be able to weld it up and make it good. But he's like a certified welder, you know, and There's kids out there that barely know how to use a welder welding their diffs, and they're running just fine. So I think we'll be all right.
Yeah.
Leave in the comments below if you think we're gonna be all right.
I'm not only a certified welder, I'm a bona fide welder. You gotta be bona fide.
Gotta get that later.
If you ain't bona fide, you ain't shit. These are the plates. I don't know the thickness.
I don't
Maybe 1/8 inch,
Something like that.
something like that. They're
Scrap.
decently thick.
Scrap metal we found in the shop.
Yeah, it's scrap metal. But you don't want anything too thin because then it's pointless. So
Yeah.
got my jacket.
You want
there.
that shit to hold.
Yeah, you gotta have it hold.
You need penetration,
Yeah,
heat,
always. The most important thing is
penetration.
And look, 2 inches is enough. Don't let anybody ever tell you different.
We got the fucking Gabagoo welder, bro. We got the HTP. I don't have the jacket on. That shit hurt.
She's a little crooked.
Fuck. Ah, goddamn. Shit. Shit's hot as a bitch.
Fuck. Woo! Forgot the fans on.
Still good. Let's see. Alright. Damn, that shit's burning hot. I say leave the fan on that for for a few minutes.
Yeah.
And then put the shit back together. God damn.
Ah, let me out. Dude, look at the smoke in here. The fuck? The shop on fire?
Kayla's texting the group chat now.
She said.
What an asshole.
What did you say?
He texted the group chat, said, damn, y'all really got it done. He didn't believe in us, bro. He thought we weren't going to do it, bro. He didn't realize we had backup. We had the Jonathan Elgie here. We had the Isaac Perez.
The Daniel Booth.
The Danny Booth. The cameraman Kurt Stovall. And we had a will. And if there's a will, there's a way.
No way I'm gonna be able to fill it all up in this position, bro. We're in a shop with 2 lifts. Look at where I'm at. So, got it done. Just filled it up with fluid. It takes like 3 quarts, and it's really awkward to get to, but I got it filled up. Hopefully we waited long enough for the gasket maker. I don't know. We'll see if it leaks tomorrow. So now we're gonna pull it out. Hear it chirp. Hopefully. I mean, it's gonna chirp because that shit will weld it. So, chirp down.
She's chirping all right. Two diffs welded today. Let's go. Can you feel it?
Oh yeah, it's rough.
It's rough?
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
Yeah.
But Johnny said it'll set in. Hopefully it gets better than what it is right now. Because they're just like, in the truck. It is rough. But, I don't know, bro. We'll see.
We'll see.